Let's learn naming a range or naming a list in Excel. Many times it happens that few of the list might require day to day or very frequently. In that case, if standard list is created, we go to that specific sheet, either we select copy and paste wherever required. But in such cases, we have to scroll through different worksheets like this to identify a list, or if we know the list, then we directly go to a specific sheet. But there is a utility naming range or naming list in Excel, through which you can directly go to the list wherever it may be within the workbook. Let's see how to set it. Here there are three different lists in front of you. One is gender, one is category, and city. Let's set name to a range of category. Select the list, right click and click on name a range. It will pop up with a window and a new name, and by default topmost cell in the selection will appear as a name. Here in this case we have category as a name for the list, so let it be as it is and click on OK. What's the difference there on the screen? Earlier this was blank, whereas now here there is word category. That is nothing but the list you want to have. This is that category. Suppose you are somewhere in altogether different worksheets and you want to refer the pre-created list named category. Go to name box, click on that arrow, select the name category, you will go to category directly. This is how we can approach to a predefined list. Now we will set it for city. Here we have list of city. Select it, right click on it and click on name a range. I want to give a name of my choice now. Then it can be a city of branches. Okay, this is normal practice how we specify names to certain objects. Now see what will happen. Clicking on OK will appear with an error message. Why this error message? That whatever name you have given is having two spaces in between, one between city and off and second one is off and branches. So there should not be space in between. Okay, the name contains a space or other invalid character is not accepted. Second thing, if you want to have name in continuation of city or branches, put it underscore, city underscore of branches, then it is a valid name for the range of city. Now this is not a list of city, it is city of branches for us. And see the change. Okay, now if you are anywhere in the workbook and you want to go to the city of branches for referring it, just go to name box, click on the arrow, select whatever list you want. In this case we want to have city of branches, click on it, you will reach there. And whatever operation you want to carry out, like copy from here specific list of names or the entire list with title, then select it as it is, copy it and paste wherever you want to have. This way you can minimize on your time as well as will be more organized.